everyone, hope you all are doing wonderful. Today I want to take you through how I prepare my smoked salmon light soup. Sit, relax, and join me as I take you through the process. So we are going through the ingredients that we'll be using for this soup. I've got here my ginger, this is my cucumber, I've got here some carrots, red pepper, chopped onions, tomatoes, garden eggs, some okras. This is my ginger. Then I've got some beef here, and this is my precursor, the secret ingredient of this tasty and healthy light soup. This is the protein that we'll be using. That's the smoked salmon. First of all, we'll go on and boil our ingredients for the soup. So I've got my pot here. So we'll pour in the ingredients. All the ingredients will go in. My little girl wants to help me. We'll go ahead and add the peppers. So we are going to boil this for some time. We add some water. We are going to cover it and allow it to boil for some time. So we are going to start with the steaming of the smoked salmon. So I'll add my beef here. That's the beef. I'll add my precursor. Then my chopped onions will also be added at this point. I've got some natural spices for soup, so I'll also add it at this point. We will add a little water at this point. So we will steam this for some time whilst we wait for the boiled ingredient to be added. Our boiled ingredient is almost ready. So give ourselves about 3 minutes, then we'll come back and take it off from the fire. And this is the state of our steamed fish. That is the smoked salmon. Because of the beef that we added to the fish, there's no need to add much salt. So I'll just add a little for taste, because the beef has some salt in there. So this is also one of the ingredients that we'll be adding. I forgot to add it from the beginning. So we'll add it to the fish at this stage. Our boiled ingredients is ready now, so we are going to take it off from the fire. Then we blend them together. So these are the blended ingredients. That's the tomatoes, garden eggs, cucumber, onions, and everything. So I will strain it, then I'll pour it inside the soup. So I'm straining to get rid of all the particles in there, especially the skin of the garden eggs and even the pepper. Yes, I do not want any particles. So this is the particles that we got from straining the ingredients. We'll go ahead and pour this inside our already steamed fish. So as you can see, our soup is now boiling. At this point we are done. We will allow it to boil for some time. Then we'll come back and turn off the heat. So the next ingredients that we'll be adding to it now is the okra. Yes. So we are going to chop it nicely, then we'll put it inside the soup. So we are adding our okra. You can enjoy this soup with rice, bankun, kokonte, fufu, ampesi, and the likes. Yes. So, how do you check the soup? Isn't it looking so beautiful? If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, kindly do so. And if you are watching this video and you find it so interesting, do not forget to like, share, and comment as well. I'm adding some peppers in for those of us who want some heat in our food. Finally, we have come to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching and also spending time together with me. And I want you to guess what we enjoyed our salmon light soup with. Voila! We are going to enjoy our light soup with some boiled rice. Till I come your way, it is bye for now. See you in my next video. I love you all.